Hi, I'm Karl Swensen. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Pullogic. I've worked over 30 years in the industry and worked in supply chain, operations, manufacturing, as well as the intersection of strategy and technology. I've seen all these different domains, manufacturing, supply chain operations, and how Pullogic can positively impact it. I'm really excited about what we're bringing to the table in this space. I met Dr. Benoit as well as the two other co-founders, Rahul and Taresh. Very impressed with the entire team. Dr. Benoit's knowledge of supply chain, not only academia, but also his real-world implementations the companies worked with. Taresh brings a wealth of experience in startups, and then Rahul has technical capabilities in building large platforms. The three of us, plus my industry experience, kind of brings us all together, and I like to call us the dream team. Our product availability metric and autonomy really captures how consumers shop and the decisions they make. We have a very detailed understanding of the underlying features, function, colors that go with SKUs, as well as the probability that consumers accept substitutes and how long they're willing to wait. So it's much more sophisticated than what you see today. We want to eliminate lost sales and unproductive inventory, and that's by eliminating inventory distortion. While it's an audacious goal, we implement company by company. We focus on high-value product categories first, so we pick those that have the greatest impact financially with the customer. This inventory distortion issue I mentioned as a $1.7 trillion opportunity globally. It's huge, and therefore, we can have a big impact at every company we implement. So if you have 30% less inventory, you'll need 30% less warehouse space and the cost and utility and energy charges that go with that. So we are reducing companies' environmental footprint. I speak to a lot of investors and VCs. This is an important part of their investment process, and Pullogic fully supports reducing environmental impact to overall society. We focus on managing the inventory levels based on demand. We have a very simple solution, but yet we achieve the results that companies are looking for. At the end of the day, we deliver results, and that's what's important to companies, and we can do that quickly. What we've been told by customers is Pullogic is one of the highest and fastest ROIs they've ever seen. We're focused on high-value product categories. That's where we can have the biggest impact to our customers, and we don't have to replace all their systems. We'll focus on a few of the product categories that are high value that represent the majority of the benefit that we can provide them. We work with both manufacturers, brands, distributors, and retailers. At the end of the day, we are focused on measuring demand accurately and then having the right inventory to satisfy the customer. And we can do that in different ways at different types of companies. We understand that inventory is the heart of the companies we work with, whether a manufacturer or retailer, and we take that to heart. Everything we do at Pullogic is to do in a small way, prove our results, and then implement them before we move on to other areas. We've developed special tools, a digital twin, and other things where you can see what we're recommending versus what a company's currently doing, so you can have the belief and trust that what we're recommending is good for the company and the right thing.